got something in this box. I'm not gonna say what it is quite yet. Get a little sneak peek. That's it, alright? Now it's hot as balls, so I hope you guys enjoy my efforts of getting this box up here for this 20-second intro clip. I'm not gonna show what's in this box as it's for another video in the future. We got stuff for Frank to start this video off.
Another day, another sweaty sack.
I feel like every video I just say I got sweaty balls. Really cannot win. This whole bed cover.
Motherfucker's chirping, she flew the fuck off.
God damn. They do not want us to win. That's what we needed to bring it in. Big ass trailer. Look at that, teaches you all a lesson. Wrap up. Back on the road. All right, see you. We dropped off the M3 bumper. Shout out Dylan again for hooking us up with another M3 bumper. That old Frankie right over there.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, Dylan.
We've been spending a lot of money on the cars recently, so shamelessly plugging it if y'all want to like the video. That was cringy, but fuck it. And if y'all want parts, shopwebbies.com. Goddamn it, where do you get it?
Shop Webbies.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's out. Oh, y'all look so good. When's prom?
My girl.
She's kind of ugly.
Yeah, I know. She's thick though.
Something to take in the hardest IG photo at the moment right now. Oh my God, he got it. Oh man, he's excited. It's like Christmas, huh?
This is 10 times better than Christmas.
Woo-wee! That's goddamn exhaust right there, brother.
Man, this thing is clean. I don't see a muffler on that, do you?
Oh, where's it at? Frank went with the VRSF Race exhaust. Shout out the boy Vehicle Virals for hooking us up again with another one of these. I love mine on my car, and now he's hooking up Frank's E93.
Appreciate you, man. This is sweet.
This bolt-on VRSF kit is definitely super sweet to get. So shout out to him for hooking us up again. Really appreciate it.
Look at how clean this thing is.
I know, the quality's crazy.
Show him the welds, bro. This shit is insane.
I don't know. I think I'm a little bit better at that. I'm not gonna lie to you. What, you looking at the truth?
Man, what a guy. Vehicle Viral.
W.
W.
Like I said, drop a like on the video. We've been going crazy with 335 parts and content recently, and I love seeing the legs getting ran up. You guys have been blowing up the legs recently. It really keeps us motivated over here.
This thing is going to be ridiculously obnoxious.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
Frank! Were we here all night? Where's my phone at? Whose dog is that? Alright, so we got the whole exhaust mocked up minus the tips. This shit looks so good. Now there's only one thing that's a little messed up about owning an E93 when you want to put this exhaust on is you got to cut up a few things because the support braces for not having a B pillar are very important. You got to keep them in there. So this passenger side one, you got to actually cut off this part and everything else should bolt in. But then when it comes to driver's side, you got to get a few different spacers and longer bolts, which I'll show you guys in a second.
Y'all believe this shit?
All right, look, this is what y'all need to do if you do this. Put it on, Sharpie it on the car. Don't be us. We cut the wrong side first. But look, it's just weight reduction at the end of the day.
We definitely need that, fat bitch.
This is that brace we were talking about, so you can see we cut it to clear it now. Therapy sessions with Frank.
Injectors, I know you hear me. I'm gonna need you to keep it the fuck down. Gaskets, y'all need to stop fucking bitching out on me. Y'all are running away from me right about now. I need you there. This is the biggest one. Turbos, please hold on, man. Your boy is broke as fuck. Any lift companies are watching this, please hook us up.
Give us a lift right now.
We might buy a garage if y'all could hook us up. Indubitably. Thanks, bro.
Alright, so we just got back from Ace. We got a bunch of bolts here. You need two M10 1.5 bolts, and then you need one M12 1.5 bolts. So surprisingly, Ace had it. We just got a bunch of different sizes and shit, and then a bunch of different spacers.
So unfortunately, another thing you have to do for this is you have to dent it in 2 points on the mid pipe. It'll hurt your soul.
So we just found something out. Frankie's lowest point of the car is actually now lower than mine, even though he's on stock height. At the bottom of that bolt, it's about 4 inches. And then when you come to mine, that is completely lowered on BC's. The lowest point is the edge of that Y pipe kind of thing right there, and that is about 5 inches. So Frank's rear end is lower than mine.
I think what we're gonna have to do is we're just gonna have to cut that portion out that we spent all that time denting and do all that, and we're gonna have to just drop it down to like stock width, like 2.5, so that way it can fit.
So this thing's ready to start up. Frank's a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. Sorry to interrupt the video, but today's video is sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber. They actually sent me this carbon fiber wallet here. Pretty sweet. Holds the cards in nice and firm along with the cash. Holds in there nicely. So make sure to go to simplycarbonfiber.com/Wyatt and check out all their other products. Use Wyatt 10 for a discount at checkout. Thank you, Simply Carbon Fiber, for sponsoring today's video. Like this wallet here? It's pretty nice, ain't it? All right, thank you. Have a great day. Say thank you, Simply Carbon Fiber. Hell yeah. Have a great day. W. Here goes nothing.
No motherfucking rattle. No rattle.
There's no rattle right now.
This bitch is loud.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Bro, I'm so excited.
This was a long install with all the fabrication we had to do. We are not smart people, so we just had to figure it out.
2 whole ass days. We work all week, and then this is a whole ass weekend of doing this shit. Like, this shit is crazy, man. Every single video you look up there, it's gonna be on a lift. They're gonna be in some shop, bro. We're rolling around on driveway doing this shit. Like, we're putting in work for this shit, man.
Our whole weekends consist of this shit.
Even weekdays. I mean, you've had it in like, what, the last 4 videos? We're up to like 1 o'clock on weeknights, bro. Like, we're at work dead.
We got to go to work at 6 a.m.
Yeah, dead. Bro, it feels like a whole different floor.
Frank's about to drop the top on us so we can get really loud exhaust noises. Sweet! This shit's gonna sound crazy. Everyone gonna know Frank coming.
Oh yeah.
Frank coming. I ain't talking about sex. Oh shit. Hopefully that ain't us tonight.
I hope not, bro. It's the only thing that can put an end to a great night.
Dude, that is loud. I know I had the same exhaust, but hearing it on the outside is insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so tempted right now just to jump in. What time is it? What time is it? 1 a.m. Frankie's neighbors hate him right now. Would you quiet down? This is no good. Your boy needs a shower and some sleep, so I'll see y'all whenever I film again. Me and Colin are headed down to Delaware to my parents' beach house again. Filmed a couple videos down there. We're taking the BMW, so maybe we'll get some content down there, and hopefully it'll make it there. Well, she didn't make it, fellas. She ain't make it. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. She's been N54 to the moon. God damn it. Traffic at 9:30 p.m. Well, if we're gonna be stuck in traffic, we're gonna entertain ourselves because this goes on for miles. A new segment with Wyatt Webster called Traffic Trivia with Strangers.
Excuse me, we're doing traffic trivia. What was the first state?
Yep.
What was the first state?
The first day.
What?
All right, well, the first contestant, wrong. Terribly wrong. I don't even know if he spoke English.
He said, what was the first day? Monday. Shit, that's all our question. Excuse me. He just didn't give a fuck. He looked right at me while I was talking. Excuse me, we're doing traffic trivia.
What's up?
How many bones does a shark have?
Bones? None.
Hell yeah!
got
Let's
it!
go!
When I get a prize?
Yeah.
Let's go! What a fucking guy.
No for that question.
Yeah!
Pfizer came up with a new drug to cure COVID.
Oh yeah?
It also cures lesbianism. It's called tricocagon. Say it, say it.
No, I'm not gonna say that. Good thing was racist.
Yeah, we can't. What a fucking guy right there. All right, 10 minutes later, we get the joke. It means try cock again, all right?
Okay.
That's what he was saying. Next person talk shit about N54s. Suck it. This bad boy made it all the way with blown turbo seals. Look how low this thing sits. I love this driveway so much for this reason. It sits so low. All right, well, I'm gonna talk to y'all fellas in the morning because it's midnight. Well, boys, it's the next day, and look what happened on the way to Delaware last night. Look, goddamn exhaust tip is in the middle of the road somewhere. Who knows where it's at? So I need another one. There's about to be a hurricane right now or something. Looks pretty bad. Definitely something coming, but that's gonna do it for this video. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out Shop Webbies. I'm repping the shorts, repping the hoodie. I got new clothing coming out soon. It'll be the 4th merch drop. And also in the last video I did, oh shit, my bad. In the last video I did say that something happened with the turbos. So the turbo seals did blow on the BMW, but it still made it all the way to Delaware. The turbos still build boost, and I definitely noticed a little bit of loss of power, but the turbo seals are definitely shot because there's so much blow by. So as y'all saw in the beginning of this video, there was a box to solve that problem. I'm gonna leave it up to y'all what you guys think it is. You guys probably already have an idea of what it'll be, but it's gonna do it for this video. Make sure to hit the like button. You'll be spending a lot of time and money in these videos. Most underrated channel on YouTube. All right, I appreciate y'all boys.
You know that I be flying a bitch, of course. I need gas, a zip, of course. I need honey, a fifth, of course. I hit the stage wearing brand new forces. So just call your friends, oh, let's get loose. I'm on the molly and shit, off it too. I can't be capping when rapping if you hear this shit on the song and you know it's true. If only you knew about this shit that I go